Mr. Speaker, sir, before I explain the recruitment process for the heads of school, just a way of background, the job evaluation exercise for the Ministry of Education's teaching positions were carried out as part of the whole of government evaluation exercise, where teaching positions were evaluated and respective salary bands were assigned. JEE was designed to ensure teachers were paid in accordance with the work that they do in school. All positions during this period were evaluated and a band was assigned to a post. Head of schools transitioned to respective bands J, K, and L based on the size of schools. These positions require postgraduate qualification. Following the JEE exercise, the revised MQR were created. The qualification requirement for the small, medium, and large schools were same except the experience, which was clearly defined. For example, prior to job evaluation exercise, 5-year experience was required for leadership role, immaterial whether the school was small, large, or medium. But now the experience changed. For small schools, 5 years teaching experience and 3 years experience in educational leadership. For medium schools, 7 years teaching experience and at least 5 years educational leadership experience is required. For large school, 10 years teaching experience and at least 5 years educational leadership experience. Mr. Speaker, sir, based on MQR, applicants were shortlisted. Ministry received a total of 1,424 applications. Only 408 applicants met the MQR, and these 408 applicants were then shortlisted to sit for the job test. The job test was conducted at the Fiji National University Computer Labs in the Central, Western, and Northern Division on 30th December 2021.